a Friday night. You smoke a cigarette.
All right, young grums, I just made it to the car. Bear and I are headed out. We're gonna probably surf a spot together just to warm up. I think we're gonna be surfing my favorite point break today. It's definitely pretty cold. How like the cold is in the air. It's probably like 15 degrees out. I'm bundled up though. I got multiple sweatshirts, so we're ready to ride. All right, guys, so what's going on right now is Bear and I are about to paddle out to this super cool beach break. It's kind of famous, kind of a secret spot, but we're gonna go out, rip a few. What did you think of the conditions?
It's fun. It's offshore. It was really cold, but a couple phones rolling through.
Yeah, you're doing some sick cutbacks.
Oh, it's the sickest cutback.
All right, on to the heavy wave.
Yeah, let's go.
Got out of the first session of today, Bear and I. It's actually really fun. It was super rippable. A lot of waves coming in. I rode the 6'8", and it was working so sick. Like, I actually felt like I'm a real surfer and I could do cutbacks and stuff. So that was Bear's local spot, and it was only like 15 minutes from his house where I stayed last night. And that's sick because normally we're going to all these like crazy spots that's kind of like well known. And it was like really fun, like really rippable. It was only like chest high, maybe shoulder high set. But I think right now it's gonna be pretty big. So we'll see what happens. We got a quick drive. Quick drive and we're back to the action. Yeah, I literally can't tell if we're like at a ski resort or like a surf spot right now. It's like a good foot of snow on the ground. That's what we want. That's the last time we were here and we scored it. All right, so Bear's claiming that it's breaking. I actually didn't see a set, but he's saying that it's breaking. So we're trekking through the snow right now. This is crazy. The wind's actually not good, but it's light enough where I think it's good. But I'm just hoping we get some waves that are safe. Hoping Bear gets a barrel. And yeah, we'll see what happens here. All right, we just rolled up to the top of the world here where we check the waves. It's about to be the moment of truth. That's surfable. That's very surfable. That's not even a set, dude. Look at that. It's rolling all the way through. You know what I mean? All right, this wave definitely makes you check yourself and think, you know, what am I doing here? Why am I doing this? We're trekking through snow right now. It's like good. Probably saw some of the footage already. It's good, but it's breaking close to the rocks. It's not necessarily the heaviest wave or the biggest, but it's sketchy for sure. So we're gonna take it slow, do what we can, and try to get home safe.
You're gonna have to sit and wait and pick and choose which ones you want to take, because a lot of them are coming straight off the rocks, but there's some that are calling outside, and right off the white water is where you want to be, so it's gonna look pretty deep.
Is it true you can teach my dog how to funnel?
Yes. Sorry, bud. I was talking shit about you. Oops. Get it, dog.
Oh, look at it.
Had a pretty decent sesh out of the slab.
Thank you.
Thank you. You were awesome.
That's a nerve-wracking spot.
Oh my God, I couldn't even believe it. One of you came so close to the rock.
Did we provide some entertainment?
Yeah.
You did, and I provided a lot of prayer.
No, not at all.
Not at all, right?
We've been surfing here a lot, yeah.
Yeah, that's why you see how we stay far enough off the edge.
Punch.
Yeah.
It's our favorite wave, even though it's super sketchy.
Yeah.
Today was like really difficult. Like easy. Other days you get in earlier and you can ride it. So I was confident, but then like I got spooked paddling out, kind of hit the rocks and stuff.
What made it difficult today? Like,
Just
I don't know.
it's so random.
Yeah,
It depends on each storm and stuff. It's pretty crazy.
That was awesome. It was fun watching y'all.
Word, yeah.
Thank you.
I was jealous, but now I know not to go out there.
Now, just because it's so gnarly.
Right.
And even since...
But this guy killed it today, though. I think Troy wins. Troy definitely wins MVP too. He caught like 3 or 4 waves before I did, but I got my 2 bombs for sure.
He got him. I was nervous going out there today, but so glad after I did because
Yeah.
I didn't get killed this time.
Yeah, it's a slopey wave. You know, we might have got beat across the rocks. We may not have got the barrel, but we got the waves and we got the heart pumping for sure.
Absolutely. And
Yeah.
every time you inch a little bit closer to that point, at least try to get it.
Dude, look at where we are. All right, young Groms, that last session kind of ended pretty crazy, but everything's good. I just drove to where I'll be spending the night. Got my wetsuit right there, and I think we're meeting up with Will tomorrow. All right, young Groms, we're headed out right now, and we're gonna go surf some new spots on a new part of the coast we've never been to before. We are tired, we are up, and we're moving. Troy and I paddled out, we learned a lot, then I paddled out solo at that other slab. Kind of snuck into 2, but didn't really get the barrel yet. It takes a lot of work to get barrels up here at a slab. It takes a lot of work or just be really good at surfing. I'm in the phase right now where I'm putting in a lot of work, and it's kind of like you gotta crawl before you can run. You gotta get out there and just paddle out to the slab before you can even get the double overhead barrel behind the curtain kind of deal. So yeah, we're learning a lot, and right now we're headed to a new spot. I think today is going to be a little more rippable of waves. I don't think we're doing the slab thing today. Even though I'd love to, I just don't think they're going to be working. So we'll see what happens, but we're going to check off some new spots from the list. Just rolled up to this crazy spot. I've never been here before. The right looks amazing. I'm about to go paddle out. I'm going to set up the mounted cam. I'm all alone. We're going to bring you guys on as much of the adventure as possible.
Christmas at all. Of candles only a flicker, oh they flicker and they float, and I'm up here holding on to all those chandeliers of hope, and like some drunken Elvis singing, I go singing out of tune, saying how I always loved you, darling, and I always will. Still waiting for the snow to fall. It doesn't really feel like Christmas at all. Still waiting for the snow to fall. It doesn't really feel like Christmas at all. Those Christmas lights light up the street, down where the sea and sailing meet. May all your troubles soon be gone. Oh, Christmas lights keep shining on. Those Christmas lights light up the street. Maybe they'll bring her back to me, and then all my troubles will be gone. Oh, Christmas lights keep shining on. Christmas lights keep shining on.
Alright, brother! Alright, young Grom, so I'm headed home right now. It was a great trip up in New England. I'm just stopped over to get some pizza right now. Yeah, I should probably say something about how I almost died of frostbite and I got really cold, but I was pretty warm the whole time, actually. The Buell wetsuit kept me warm, and the fact that I've put on some pounds in med school actually worked to my betterment because I stayed warm. I surfed 3 sessions today. It was super fun. I think the best waves, like quality waves of the trip, not the coolest, but the best, were this last 3 sessions today. So yeah, the snowstorm brought awesome waves to the northeast, and we capitalized, took our last test of med school, caught crazy waves, and as always, we will see you on the next swell.
When you think that you're dead, when you think that you're going to die, who you miss, who was your last kiss, and did you tell your mother goodbye? Do you sink, do you swim when the demons rush in? Do you lay down your dagger and cry? Were you free or a slave? Did you live your life brave?